Did you know that over 60% of new investors lose money in their first year? But here's the thing. It's not because investing is too hard. It's because they're using the wrong tools. Think about it. You wouldn't try to build a house without the right equipment, right? The same goes for investing. If you're using an app that charges high fees, limits your options, or makes things unnecessarily complicated, you're already setting yourself up for failure. And that's exactly why this video is so important. Today, I'll break down the top 3 investing apps for beginners in 2025. Apps that are easy to use, beginner-friendly, and designed to help you grow your money without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app is right for you and how to start investing with confidence. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about why investing apps are a game changer, especially in 2025. Years ago, if you wanted to invest, you had to call a broker, pay high commissions, and deal with a ton of complicated paperwork. But today, you can literally start investing from your phone in just a few minutes. And that's great news, right? Well, yes and no. While investing has become easier than ever, the problem is that there are hundreds of apps out there, all claiming to be the best. Some charge hidden fees, some push risky investments, and others are just too confusing for beginners. So, how do you know which app is actually the right one for you? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. I've researched and tested dozens of investing apps, and I've narrowed it down to the top 3 best options for beginners in 2025. These apps are easy to use, have low fees, and help you grow your money the smart way, without all the stress. By the end of this video, you'll know which app fits your investing style, how to get started, and what to avoid so you don't make beginner mistakes. So, let's jump into the first app on our list. Alright, let's start with the first investing app on our list, M1 Finance. This app is perfect for beginners because it makes investing super simple, even if you've never bought a stock before. So, what exactly is M1 Finance? It's a commission-free investing app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, meaning you don't need hundreds of dollars to get started. You can start investing with as little as $5 or $10, making it one of the best choices for beginners. Now, let's talk about what makes M1 Finance special. First off, it's incredibly user-friendly. The app's interface is clean and simple with no confusing charts or overwhelming options. Within minutes, you can set up an account, deposit money, and buy your first stock or ETF. Another big feature? Automated investing. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend hours researching stocks, M1 Finance lets you build a portfolio and invest automatically. You simply choose your stocks or ETFs, and M1 will automatically manage and rebalance your investments over time. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, but without the expensive fees. So, who is this app best for? If you're a beginner looking for an easy, no-stress way to start investing, especially if you want to automate your investments, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for long-term investors who want to build wealth over time without constantly checking the market. Alright, that's app number 1, M1 Finance. Now let's move on to our second investing app, which is great for people who want more hands-on control over their investments. Alright, now let's move on to our second app, Public. This one is perfect for beginners who want to invest, but also learn along the way. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by stock market jargon or unsure about which stocks to pick, this app was built for you. So, what exactly is Public? It's an investing app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, commission-free. But what makes it unique is that it combines investing with social networking. Inside the app, you can see what experienced investors are buying, follow experts, and even ask questions about different stocks. What makes Public different from other investing apps? First, it's beginner-friendly. You can start with as little as $5 and invest in fractional shares, meaning you don't need a lot of money to own big stocks like Apple or Tesla. But the real magic of Public is its education and community features. Let's say you're curious about a stock. You can click on it and see simple, easy-to-understand explanations of what the company does, its financials, and what investors are saying about it. It's like having a built-in investing guide right inside the app. Plus, Public doesn't use payment for order flow, PFOF, which means they don't sell your trades to big institutions. That makes it one of the most transparent investing platforms out there. So, who is this app best for? If you're a beginner who wants more control over your investments, but also wants an educational, community-driven experience, Public is a fantastic choice. It's great if you love the idea of seeing what other investors are buying and learning as you go. Alright, that's app number 2, Public. Now, let's move on to our final app, which is perfect for people who want a completely hands-off, automated investing experience. All right, now let's move on to our third and final investing app, Acorns. This one is perfect for people who want to start investing, but don't want to think about it. If you've ever told yourself, I don't have enough money to invest, or I don't know where to start, this app was literally designed for you. So what exactly is Acorns? It's an automated investing app that takes your spare change and invests it for you. Instead of manually choosing stocks, Acorns builds a fully diversified portfolio for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. The best part? You don't have to do anything. Acorns automatically invests small amounts of money over time, so you can grow your wealth without even thinking about it. The biggest feature that makes Acorns unique is its roundups feature. Every time you make a purchase with your debit or credit card, Acorns rounds up the total to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 50 cents into your portfolio. Over time, these small amounts add up, and before you know it, you're passively growing your investments without noticing. Another huge advantage, it's fully automated. You don't have to research stocks, check charts, or stress about when to buy and sell. Acorns handles everything for you. All you have to do is deposit money and let it grow. So, who is this app best for? If you're someone who struggles to save money or doesn't want to manually invest, Acorns is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for hands-off investors who just want their money to grow in the background without any effort. Alright, that's app number 3, Acorns. Now let's quickly compare all 3 apps and help you decide which one is right for you. Alright, so we've covered the top 3 investing apps for beginners in 2025. But which one is the right choice for you? Let's do a quick recap and help you decide. If you want an easy, hands-off way to invest, M1 Finance is the way to go. You can customize your portfolio, and M1 Finance will automatically balance and invest for you. It's great for long-term investors who want to invest in stocks and ETFs without constantly managing trades. If you're a beginner who wants to learn while you invest, Public is a great choice. It's not just an investing app, it's also a social platform where you can follow experienced investors, see what they're buying, and learn about stocks in plain, beginner-friendly language. And if you just want to start investing without any effort, letting an app do it all for you, then Acorns is the easiest option. It rounds up your spare change and invests it for you, making it great for busy people or anyone who struggles to save money. So which app should you go with? Well, that depends on your investing style. No matter which one you choose, the most important thing is to start investing today. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compounding and long-term growth. Now that you know the top 3 investing apps for beginners in 2025, it's time to take action. Have you tried any of these apps before? Or is there another investing app you swear by? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using and why. And just so you know, none of these apps sponsored this video. These are my honest recommendations based on research and what actually works for beginners. If that ever changes, I'll always be upfront about it. Still unsure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out my video on how to start investing with just $10. It'll show you step-by-step how to start with little money, even if you're on a budget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps more people discover this content. And if you're serious about building wealth, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you there.